Hi, everyone. I'm Steve from Revelata. We're very excited for you to try deepKPI in your AI agent framework. I'm going to take a few minutes here just to show you some of the things you can do with this tool set and with this data, and also step you through the install process, which takes about 15 seconds or so. Let's take a look at Claude once deepKPI has been integrated. If you're new to using AI for investing, my suggestion is that you start with a specific company and do a deep dive to understand them and their universe. We have a simple idea generation tool that you can trigger just by telling Claude that you need an idea for a company to analyze. And very quickly, you'll start looking at their data and starting to understand operationally how they work. In all deepKPI data, you can click on a number to see exactly where we pulled out of filings. So there's no worry about AI hallucinations, or if there's anything that looks off, you can quickly audit it and check and build trust in what you're seeing. Now, if you're an experienced investor with a workflow that you want to accelerate, here are a couple of things you can do to start working with our data. We have a great skill for benchmarking companies against peers. Here I'm asking Claude to do that for Delta. It's going to develop a fingerprint based on the segments of the particular company and their KPIs. One thing that's unique about Delta is that they run their own refinery, which no other airline does. And so our tool not only pulls in other airlines, but it also pulls in refineries of similar size and geographic exposure to help you understand that portion of the company. As always, you can click on any of these numbers to get right back to the source and audit anything that looks off. We also make all filings available to you. They're in Markdown format, already cleaned up and ready for Claude to work with. Here I'm just asking for management commentary on the refinery business itself, and it's pulling out exact quotes and data tables that are in the Markdown. Finally, if you're a pro and you're looking to automate your workflow, for example, building an Excel model to support a sell-side report, you just have to ask. Here, I'm building a core component of the revenue build for Planet Fitness, the store count roles. You'll see that the Excel sheet comes with full sourcing and formatting. You can click on any number to see exactly where in the filing it came from. And in the end, this result took just a few minutes to generate and is on par with what our own equity analyst did when we developed our Planet Fitness model. Okay, so let's get to installation. I'm going to go to revelata.com and log in with my account. Once I'm on the AI credits page, you'll see a few instructions for how to install with Claude. The first is that we click to open Claude's Add Connector dialog, and then we will enter the connector name, Revelata deepKPI, and the MCP server URL, both that you can copy from the AI credits page. And then you'll click to download the latest release of our skills from GitHub, and go back to Claude by clicking to add a skill. And then you click Create Skill, upload a skill, and choose the zip file that you just downloaded. And that is it. You are ready to go with some of the most powerful technology and data that anyone has ever had access to for investing. So good luck. Don't hesitate to reach out with feedback or if you need any additional assistance getting up and running.